morning students, welcome to online class. In our last class we have learned simple present tense, perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense and present continuous tense. Today we will learn about the simple past tense. Simple past tense. It is used to express an action or event in the past. We use simple past tense. There is a form we can frame past tense sentences. The form is subject. Here we use verb second form V2 plus object. With the help of this structure or form, we can frame a past tense sentences. For example, I typed this document. I typed this document. Here it is subject, it is past tense verb, it means V2 form, verb second form we call it as, all this we called as object. Type, write, wrote, written, go, went, gone. But we are using just V2 form. Go, went. We use went. And type, write, wrote, drink, drank, sing, sang, bring, brought, read, read. All this we call it as V2 form. It means verb second form. There are some uses of simple past tense. Uses of simple past tense. Uses of simple past tense. It is used to indicate completed activity. It is used to indicate completed activity in the past. It is often used with the adverb of past tense. First use of simple past tense. It is used to indicate completed action or activity in the past. It is often used with some adverbs, used with the adverb of past time. We use simple past tense. For example, the result appeared in the newspapers yesterday. Appear, it is V1 form. Appear, it is V2 form. Second example is she sent, sent. She sent me a letter. She sent me a letter a few days back. Here we are using some adverbs. Third example is they defeated, defeat V1 form, defeated V2 form. They defeated the team easily recently. Here yesterday, back, recently, all these words we call it as adverbs. They defeated the team easily recently. Second use of simple past tense. There is one more use of simple past tense. Sometimes this tense is used without an adverb of time. In such cases, the time may be either implied or indicated by the context. Here sometimes this tense means simple past tense is used without an adverb of time. In such cases the time may be either implied or indicated by the context. For example, I didn't sleep well. Here in this sentence, I didn't sleep well means that is last night he didn't sleep well. That is last night. It means last night. I didn't sleep well. It means that is last night. Second example, they own the World Cup cricket. They own the World Cup cricket. Here there is no use of an adverb or particular time. Third example is she brought the vegetables. All these are examples for simple past tense. At last, one more use of simple past tense is it is also used for past habits. It is also used for past habits. It is also used for past habits. For example, she collected stamps in her childhood. She collected stamps in her childhood. It means now she doesn't. Now she doesn't collected the stamps. She collected stamps in her childhood. It means now she doesn't collected the stamps. Second example is he smoked cigarette cigarettes regularly. He smoked cigarettes regularly. Cigarette smoking is injurious to health. So he smoked cigarettes regularly. It means what? Now he is not smoking. Now he is not smoking. He is not smoking. It is past habit of the person. Now he is not smoking. Third example is he jogged for miles. He jogged for miles. It means now he doesn't go for a walk or go for jogging. He jogged for miles means he doesn't now. Now he doesn't. All these are uses of simple past tense. It is the past habit of a person which was not he cultivated.